I've never expected, and I need more time. She's got a sister, and God only knows how I've missed her. And on the palm of her...
I'm literally going to America tomorrow, by the way. And I'm here at Auckland Museum enjoying a Coke Zero when I should be packing and getting ready. Wow. This is Andrei.
Hi.
Which one? It says right here. Oh wait, that top looks like... Oh, it doesn't really say.
It says it looks like a military badge, but I don't think that's an evolutionary. I know some, like, tigers have, like, white spots in the back of their ears, so they look like eyes.
Oh!
Yeah, so it looks like they have eyes in the back of their head.
Cool.
So it might be the same thing.
This guy's really cool.
He's a bit silly. Don't know anything about him. Hello. Who's he?
Smile.
I love him. He's fun.
Oh, I don't want to break it. No, I don't want to.
This?
Try.
Okay, there you go.
That's so cute.
Anteaters are messed up little animals. I guess they're big.
It's really scary.
Scary?
Yeah. What do you mean? That's so scary.
No, dude, it's like a guy. It's like a dog with a long
Bro.
neck.
Exactly. Wait, let me go back and... Bro, you can't tell me.
It's not
You
scary.
can't look at that and say it's like not...
He's a little...
It's like a bit freaky.
I'm sure he's freaky. Yeah, he's a little fucked up. But he's not scared.
But I need more time, and I want you to say
It's quite big.